Hello students. So you might be curious to know the next part of the story, isn't it? So in the previous video what we have seen that after freeing Mr. Stripes, the tiger is saying that it is going to eat up Rahul now, and the Rahul was crying a lot and requesting Mr. Stripes, the tiger, not to eat him up. So it was not correct of this tiger to eat Rahul after setting him free. Now what they have decided? They have decided that they will walk along and they will ask the first three persons or the first three animals, whoever they are going to meet, and they are going to take their suggestions. So let us see what is happening. Turn to page number 6. The first creature to pass was the donkey, Mr. Bray. Mr. Bray, Mr. Bray, called out Rahul. I set Mr. Stripes free from his cage. Now he wants to eat me up. Is that fair? Mr. Bray looked up and spoke out strongly. The farmer forces me to carry heavy loads on my back all day under the hot sun. So now they are walking along and to see the animal or the person and question and take their suggestions. So let us see who was the first creature to pass. Mr. Bray, that is the donkey. And Rahul is calling out Mr. Bray. Mr. Bray, Mr. Bray, he is shouting and calling, and Rahul is trying to explain. I set Mr. Stripes free from the cage and now Mr. Stripes wants to eat me up. Is that fair? How can he do that to me? It is not correct. I helped Mr. Stripes to come out of the cage, and in turn tiger wants to eat me now. What do you think? Is that right? Rahul is asking to the donkey, that is Mr. Bray. Mr. Bray looked up and spoke out strongly. The farmer forces me to carry heavy loads on my back all day under the hot sun. Yet he doesn't feed me properly and beats me with a stick. And now what is the donkey saying? Donkey looked up and it is saying strongly, my farmer forces me to do a lot of work. He beats me and he does not give proper food also. He wants me to do work all the time in the hot sun, and he is not at all friendly. He'll make me to carry heavy loads on my back and he does not pity me. Okay, he is talking about his farmer. Okay, the donkey's farmer is making donkey to do a heavy work, okay, to carry heavy loads on the back, and it is not at all giving proper food, and it also makes the donkey to work in the hot sun. Yet he doesn't feed me properly and beats me with a stick. Even when I am sick, he expects me to do work. Humans are an ungrateful race. Let Stripes eat you. It's one less horrible person in the world. So what is this donkey saying? Okay, there is not at all a problem if Mr. Stripes eat you. What will happen? One person will be less in the world. Okay. Now why is this donkey saying like this? Donkey is angry upon the human beings. Okay, the farmer is very much he is not showing mercy on the donkey and asking the donkey to do a lots of work. So this is the anger of the donkey towards his farmer, towards his owner. So he is very much angry that all human beings are bad, human beings are not good, they are not at all kind to animals. That is why the donkey is saying this in an angry way. Even I am sick, he expects me to do work. Humans are an ungrateful race. So the donkey is saying humans are very unkind, they are very cruel, they are not helpful towards animals. Okay, they will not show pity or mercy on the animals. Let Mr. Stripes eat you. Nothing will happen if this tiger eats you up. What will happen? One horrible person will be less from this world. Okay, one unkind and one bad person will be less from this world, he is saying. Stripes licked his lips and got ready to eat Rahul. So what did Stripes doing now? Mr. Stripes is licking lips. Okay, licking lips means doing like this. Doing like this, okay. Wait, that's only one out of the three people. We still have two more to ask, cried out Rahul nervously. Stripes agreed. So what was the condition? They will ask first 3 persons or animals, but now they have been asking only one donkey. So now what is Rahul saying? No, Mr. Stripes, you can't eat me, I have 2 more chances. So Rahul is saying very nervously, Mr. Stripes, I have got 2 more chances, you cannot kill me now. They wandered about and came to a place where a very old horse was lying next to a heavily loaded cart. So they were moving around and looking for some other creature. So what they have seen? They have seen a very old horse, and a cart was also lying there. The cart was heavily loaded. Do you know what is a cart? Have you seen bullock cart in the villages? Yes, everybody might have seen in your villages. Like this bullock cart, we also have horse carts. Okay. So there was a horse, old horse sitting there, and you can see in the picture also there was a heavily loaded cart there. Now they are going towards this old horse to take the suggestion. Rahul walked up to her and asked, Miss Mary, I freed Mr. Stripes from his cage and now he wants to eat me up. Is it fair? Miss Mary was barely able to get up. Her back was aching from dragging heavy loads. She looked up and answered in a hoarse voice, There was a time when I was free to roam the forests. Then one day my master captured me. He put a saddle on my back and bridle in my mouth. He rode me hard. I have carried his children and grandchildren on my back. But now that I am old, he makes me drag his cart. So now they approached a old horse, and the name of the horse is Miss Mary. Again Rahul is explaining to this horse what has happened. Then Rahul told, I freed Mr. Stripes and now Mr. Stripes want to eat me up. Is it fair, Miss Mary? How can Mr. Stripes eat me up? Then what is this old lady? It was old horse, Miss Mary. It was hardly able to get up. It was so sick. It was very weak. It was sitting alone, and it started to say, once upon a time I used to roam here and there freely in the forests, but what happened now? One day my master captured me, okay, and he makes me to do a lot of work. I have carried his children and I have carried his grandchildren on my back, and now I am old. I have become old. Though I have become old, he is making me to drag these heavily loaded carts, and I am very unhappy. I am very sad. My back is paining a lot. Miss Mary is saying to Rahul. Today, when I could not pull it farther, he left me here without food and water to die. Humans are very cruel. I say, let Stripes eat you, and that would be the end of this tale. And now, what did this Miss Mary suggest Rahul and this tiger? Now, today I have become old. That is why I could not go farther. I have become old. I could not carry any load on my back and move farther. That is why my owner left me here without food and without water to drink, and he left me here to die. These humans are very cruel. We cannot trust these human beings. So this Miss Mary is also very sad at that humans are not good. So it is also suggesting tiger to eat up Rahul. So what happened? Rahul lost his 2 chances now. The first one was Mr. Bray. Mr. Bray also told that. Mr. Bray told, my owner is not at all good. He makes me to do a lot of work. Then he suggested, donkey suggested the tiger to eat up Rahul. Similarly, Miss Mary also suggested tiger to eat up Rahul. Now let us see what's happening in the next. So now they will be going to meet third person. Let us see in the next video who is this third person and what the third person is going to suggest.